We tried to save money. Hey guys, today my daughter and I are doing something a little different. We are going to 4 different grocery stores to see where we get the best value. Let's go!
What are these?
It's radish.
Okay.
Look on green plantain. Mother, look on the price of green plantain, like seriously. $2 pound. Oh, no, sir. Let's go.
I'll just stick it here.
White, oh, you know the difference.
I don't know.
Oh, what is one, Molly?
This is the yellow dragon fruit.
Oh, I didn't even know that. Find the biggest one then. You like that one there?
Yeah, this one.
Alright, let's try it. Put in my cart.
Yay. What else do we need? What else do we need?
Ripe bananas, but they are green. You can buy them at Costco.
Ooh. So guys,
big one
one thing about me, anytime I see an open bag of grapes, I always have to take out some.
Oh, they have cornmeal. This is the one that I like.
This tastes really good. Ooh, grandma used to always buy this one.
The class. Let me smell it.
I like this one. This smells good. I like this scent.
It's not all that. It's like what, strawberry crumb cake. They're all like the same thing.
We're now going to check out. Let's hope the line isn't long.
Oops.
So guys, this is how everything cost. Yeah. Okay, we're ready to head out now.
Next stop is
Costco.
yes, Costco. A big money place in there. So then I can't be so happy for just spend my little money.
Chasing horizons beyond the doors. Windows down, the breeze in my hair. Freedom's calling, it's everywhere. Ride the wind, let it take you far. Underneath the endless stars, feel the rush as the miles unwind. Leave the weight of the world behind.
Line them out. No, sir. Hey.
The croissant's actually good. I never had one.
They are usually.
Yeah. Yeah, can I try a sample?
What is it?
Yes, please.
It is a non-alcoholic margarita that I will be serving, along with tortilla chips and guacamole, which is currently on sale. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The drink? It's $27.99 for the drink with 3 flavors inside.
It's good.
Big grapefruit and the pineapple.
Margarita.
Yes.
Non-alcoholic.
Okay, could I try the drink?
I saw that.
There's other. No. Alright, that's it. Tap the card. So the grand total at Costco was $173.43. Next stop, Dollarama. I made a quick stop at the dollar store to pick up mainly a pack of gloves. I like to use gloves when I'm cooking. And I think we got some candy, a jump rope, and some other stuff. Pom jump rope. Yeah, we're gonna be jumping. All these seasonal stuff. Oh, bird catcher, bird feeder. Is that bird feeding? Oh, gnomes. Oh, look over there, cute Molly. This is my guy. Not really, you know.
Not really indeed.
Not really at all, at all, at all. Holy stuff. I like the frog. What is that?
I want a play sword or a bow and arrow.
Okay. Oh, you could buy the badminton. That's physical activity stuff.
Smile for the camera.
Sorry, is this one bag of potatoes for 180? I'll smile my little pocket they put me.
Beat up some.
I'm officially depressed. Yes, the money's add up real fast, real quick, to a grand total of about $400 and something. Guys, you do the maths. I think I added the total I spent at each store. So you do the maths and let me know in the comments how much it was. So we are back home and we're gonna unpack the groceries to see what $400 and something got us and if it will last us for a period of 2 weeks.
Oh, no, guess what? We got dragon fruit. Can I have? Not yet. What do you mean by night? Not yet. What are you gonna? I didn't get breakfast.
I didn't get oh, there's rice and peas. I didn't even know. Rice and peas.
What are you gonna do?
You want the apple now? The apples are so good. No, not that hard.
Okay.
That's it? I think so. Potatoes. Close the freezer. Close the freezer, girl. Okay.
Can I take this? Can I take it half of it? What?
About chocolate milk.
What do you mean?
Ooh, wala naman.
Wow. Fine, can take it.
Yeah, make space for that. Yeah, you know how to pack this? Mm-hmm. Yeah, space for the egg.
Yep.
Hold this. First in, first out. If this empty, we're gonna carry out to the
That's
boy.
kind of mine.
So why you leave the empty thing in the fridge? Like,
I
how does that
didn't
make
leave it
sense?
empty. It was full.
Oh well, you didn't leave it empty because you said that's yours. So I'm like, why you leave it empty?
Oh, they're not listening.
Girl, you want to leave it? Close the fridge, Malia.
That's it for my fridge?
For now. I'm in this bag. Oi.
Why is Molly so mean?
I don't know why she's so mad at us.
Why does the cat shut up?
That's it. You don't understand. Malia, why are you so mean?
Come on. How about that?
You want to be mean?
Yes.
You mean this food bag? Malia, true? Never know you. Don't nothing.
Yeah.
She not afford coming with our food, brother. But I understand neither. Yeah? Back to door. Yeah, there's more bags. There's more bags.
Putting these in the freezer.
Thank you.
Guys, these taste really good.
So was it worth it going to the 4 stores? Definitely. You know, after a long morning, we started out at around 8 and we got back home after 12. It was 4 hours. But it was definitely worth it. We got our bulk goods at Costco, our variety items at Walmart, our produce at Food Basics, and our miscellaneous items at the dollar store. So it was definitely worth it. Now let's see if this food will last us for 2 weeks, because that's the goal, to have it last 2 weeks. But it's a goal in theory. Let's see if it's practical. But I remain grateful as always to have my little family, have my kids with me after 4 long years apart. Now we are bonding and just taking it one day at a time. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments how long your grocery lasts you. How often do you have to shop for groceries? And what is your most shopped for item? What item you shop for the most in your household? Again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.